Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Grok rate limit exceeded error. This error usually appears when too many requests are sent to Grok in a short amount of time. The first thing you should do is wait for the limit to reset automatically. In most cases, the cooldown only lasts a few hours. After some time, refresh the page and try using Grok again. If you still see the error even though you did not use Grok much, try refreshing your browser session. Open your browser settings and go to Privacy and Security. Then clear your cookies and cache. This removes old website data that may be causing the issue. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and open it again. Then sign out of your Grok or X account and log back in. This creates a fresh session and can fix temporary connection or account problems. If this problem happens often, the best long-term solution is upgrading your account to X Premium or Premium Plus. Free accounts usually have strict usage limits, while premium plans give you higher limits and better access to Grok features. Thanks for watching.